So Ian, Welsh Cup round 4 on Saturday. You're at home to Rhyl live on the television. How's the pitch looking with all the weather we've had?
Well, obviously with the weather conditions that we've had, the pitch currently's got about 5 inches of snow on it, so we've got a mammoth task on our hands tomorrow to clear the snow.
And what exactly is the plan for tomorrow?
Well, we've tweeted and we put on Facebook and asked for a number of volunteers to come down to the club to clear the snow. So hopefully we'll get an army of people down there to remove it all.
And how long do you think it'll take?
And I think it'll take a good few hours looking at the amount of snow that's on there. But we've done it before, we've done it for games in previous seasons, so I'm sure that with all the willing support and help that we've been guaranteed that we'll manage to do it.
And have you got the right machinery, or is it just going to be spades and shovels?
I think a combination of both, really, to be honest with you. Obviously the pitch enables us to get on there with the right machinery, but with lots of people with plenty of shovels and scrapers, I'm sure we can do the job.
And will Craig Harrison be out there helping out as well?
Yeah, I'm sure Craig will rally the troops and he'll try and encourage one or two of the players to help out as well, which they've done in the past. And I'm sure they'll muck in and make sure that the game is played.
And not being able to get on the pitch has obviously affected your planning for the match. Has there been many training sessions? Yeah,
we've had to put a bit of a contingency in place, but the team have managed to train on Monday and Tuesday. They were down doing some fitness work yesterday. They actually have a day off today, so I'm sure they'll be back in tomorrow and hopefully get a decent session out of tomorrow once the snow has been cleared.
And as holders of the Welsh Cup, how important is this to TNS this season?
Yeah, I think it's a big game. I think playing Rhyl is always a big game, isn't it? And we miss those games, and I think you know, it'd be nice to see Rhyl back in the league. They've had a great season to date in the Cymru Alliance, and no doubt there'll be a good number of Rhyl supporters making their way to Oswald Street for the game.
And is there any ticket offers that you've got on?
Yeah, we've done quite a bit of publicity with the local schools during the week. We also had the show racism, the red card workshop yesterday. So I think we've given over 200 or 300 free tickets away to local school children. So hopefully that will encourage one or two of those to come along to the game.
Okay, good luck with that.
Thanks very much.